Human rights issues, global challenges and advocacy efforts. Understanding human rights. Human rights. Two words that hold the power to shape societies, protect individuals, and foster equality. But what are human rights, and why do they matter so much? In 1948, in the aftermath of the horrors of World War II, the United Nations introduced a groundbreaking document, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. For the first time in history, a global standard was set, proclaiming that every person, no matter their background, culture, or nationality, is entitled to certain fundamental rights. At the heart of this declaration lies a simple yet powerful truth: all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights was a monumental step. It established that basic rights, like freedom from discrimination and the right to life, are not privileges but rights that everyone should have. Human rights are often categorized into 5 main types: civil, political, economic, social, and cultural rights. Civil and political rights protect individual freedoms, like freedom of speech and the right to vote. Economic, social, and cultural rights ensure that people have access to essentials like education, healthcare, and cultural expression. These rights are more than just words on paper, they are essential to human dignity. They create the foundation for a world where people can live free from fear, free from want, and with the ability to pursue their own path in life. Human rights advocate. Human rights remind us that every individual has worth. They are a shield, ensuring that each person is treated with respect and given the opportunity to thrive. While the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was a major achievement, the journey to realizing these rights for all is ongoing. Each movement, each voice raised, echoes the belief that human rights are not just for some, they are for everyone. As we embark on this journey into the world of human rights, let us remember that these rights are not just ideals. They are essential to creating a world where dignity, freedom, and equality are not just aspirations, but realities for all.